Hi, this is Fizzy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to find activity log on Facebook. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Did you know Facebook allows to view an activity log of your actions containing the posts you've liked, comments you've posted, and more? From this activity log, you can quickly remove reaction you've shared on posts, change the privacy settings on your own posts, and more. So how to do it? It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Facebook. Now you can tap on your profile or the three lines over here. You can scroll down, tap on settings and privacy. Now tap on settings. You can scroll down until you find your activity. There is an option activity log. You can tap on that on the activity log. We can wait. Now you can see here's all of your activity log on Facebook. It's containing actions like the post you like, the post you post, comment. Here's all of your activity log. And you can also remove the actions on your activity log. Like example, you can tap on this, the three dots beside the actions, the activity log. Now you can delete. These items you delete can be restored. So if you delete these items, your activity log, you can't restore this activity log. Now you can delete. Now the action has been removed from your activity log. You can also filters by date or the categories on your activity log to make you easier if you want to find a specific activity on this activity log. You can also manage your activity log. You can see the archive and the trash. So that is how to find activity log on Facebook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!